I just checked the radar. Actually, I checked it an hour ago. And I've got clear skies, rain-wise at least, for the next hour or so. So I'm going to head back on up to the roof, secure those boards. Oh, look. Oh, that tree I wanted down came down. Cool. So I'm going to go up on the roof and screw around up there a bit. Okay, so there you go. And so on and so forth for the remaining 3 joints. And also I'm going to do something over there with that mounting platform. That's where my ladder is supposed to go. It's supposed to come up there and I can step onto that nice platform. But there's things in the way on the ground over there and I didn't feel like moving them. So I came up on this side this time. But anyways, that's what we're going to do. And I'll catch you at the end. There we go, and now roof's all fixed. Got my access point improved because now that new 2x4 that I put along there is wide enough to support the ladder, whereas the other one wasn't quite, but it was what I had at the time. I got the rotted plywood out of there, but that board there is also rotting. I have to replace that. And got my joints done all along there. So now we're just waiting for the big one. Happy day to ya.